Hello everyone and welcome to Ira tutorial. This is Aarti Naik and today we are going to learn class 7 subject English unit 3 topic 3.1 Tartary English workshop. So today we are going to discuss question answers of this poem, and already this poem I have explained in my previous video. You can see the link of that video to that link in description box. So let us start with question answers. Let us see the English workshop. Question number 1. Find the words that mean the following from the first stanza. Gold hammered in a flat thin shape. That means gold is bitten. That means of bitten gold. Something which is made of bitten gold. Show off proudly. So show off proudly, for that tiger's hunt word is used. Then tilt, move at an angle, at is for that fish's slant word is used. Across, especially in the slanting direction, that is outward, this word is used in the poem. Question number 2. Find the names of the exotic musical instrument and animals mentioned in the poem. So uh, musical instruments are harp, flute, mandolin. Question number 3. In the last stanza, there are 3 4 letter words that refers to a beautiful valley. So which are those? Purple well, dell, and dell and glen. These are the words which describe the beautiful valley. Question number 4. From the poem, find the 3 lines that uses comparisons. So lines in which comparisons are there are: and in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey, red as wine. So here evening lamps are compared with the yellow as honey and red as wine. Her trembling lake like foamless seas. That means lake is described with the foamless sea. And clustered thick as seed. So cluster thick is compared with the seeds. Question number 5. Color, sound and images from nature add to the beauty of a poem. Poem Tartary is a perfect example of the above. Pick out lines that contain color. So which line contains color? And in the evening lamps would shine, yellow as honey and red as wine. Sound. While harp and flute and mandolin made music sweet and gay. Images of nature. Lord of the fruit of Tartary, her river silver pale. Lord of the hill of Tartary, glean thickest wood and dale. So here you can see the images from the nature. Question number 6. Complete the following phrases with the help of the poem. Music, music sweet and gay. Rivers, rivers silver pale. Breeze, scented breeze. Lake, trembling lake. And citron fruit, birds delighting citron fruits. Question number 7. Write about the daily routine of Lord of Tartary in 8 to 9 line. So here you can see that a daily routine of Tartary, Lord of Tartary is that he will with the help of poem you can describe that. You can see in the poem that what Lord will do first. What he will do, he will means he first he will be alone. He will alone the enjoyness of, he will enjoy the state of alone himself. Then he will make his everything very precious, for example throne of gold and bed ivory. Then in his court he will allow the peacock to dance and wave beautifully. Also in his court he will allow tigers to spend their time without without any fear. And in his pool he will bring great fishes slant their fins toward the sun. That means they are very shining in the pond, like that fishes he will keep. Then what he every day in this will be the routine part of his life. The trumpeter will summon him for all the every meal. That means 3 times in the meal. and during evening time he will enjoy the yellow and red lights of the lamp, also with the music of harp, flute and mandolin. Then what he will do, he will wear the robe of beads, which is made of white and gold color. And also he means till the morning star he will enjoy his time. And with uh, the horse cart he will go to see the dark forest of the Tartary. Then also he will enjoy the fruits of Tartary land, and he will enjoy all natural things which are present in the Tartary land. Next, using your imagination, write about a beautiful region, its landform, water bodies, flora and fauna, night sky, people, etc. So, here with your imagination, you can write down any beautiful place you can imagine. You can imagine for space also, you can imagine for flower garden also, or anything, whatever you like. Now, in language study, let us see the consonants. Consonance means what? Consonance is a repetition of one or more consonant sound, especially at the end of the word are called as consonants and is usually pleasant to the ear. For example, Peter patter, Peter patter, Peter patter. Okay, so now here you can see repetition of one or more consonant sound. So here you can see repetition of T is there. Peter, Peter, okay, Peter, patter. So repetition of one or more consonant sound, especially at the end of the word. So ter is coming at the end of the word. So that is called consonants. For example, rivers, silver. Then the lint was sent with the tent, sent, tent. All the all is well that ends well. Well is the consonants. Now find at least two example of consonants from the poems that you study in this book. So you have to go for the poem and you have to find out at least two example of the consonants. That is all about the exercise of English workshop of this poem. If you have any difficulty, do write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it, like it. Thank you.